Hello friends, this is Ms. Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant. And today we're going to figure out what can lemons clean. I think this is a cool activity you can try when you're trying to incorporate your children into washing the dishes. And if you have very young children that you don't want to damage anything, I think this activity would be cool to kind of prevent that from happening. So how can you incorporate your child into cleaning dishes? By using lemons. Well, you have the lemon juice and then you have the peel. You can use both, and I'm going to show you how. One thing that you can get them to sanitize is your cutting board. I know this is a very old cutting board, but this is to give you an example. So this cutting board really needs some work. So what they can do is take the lemon peel and just rub and scrub the cutting board. The lemon juice that's still in this peel can help disinfect this board. So after you have them scrub it, you can then have them put them in the dish or put them in the sink to clean. Another activity you can do with lemons is having them clean or silverware. So get the spots off of the silverware. So same concept like the cutting board, you can have them rub the lemon on the silverware and then use a paper towel to wipe it off. And then you can add it to the sink or the dishwasher. Another thing you can have them do before putting stuff in the dishwasher is to use the lemon to scrub the plates. Like this. And then once they get all of this stuff off, you can either add it to the sink or the dishwasher to finish the job. The lemon juice can be put in a spray bottle and used to clean and wipe down the sink when you are done. So what do you think of my ideas? Do you think that were helpful? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Bye.